All right, so I'm putting these clips on around the windshield in order to hold the molding on before I put the windshield in. And I saw another video where guys got the windshield in and he's popping them in with a piece of wood, and I'm actually going to use that same technique, only I don't have the windshield in, so it makes it easier for me. So I kind of push this in here, and then I take the piece of wood and hold pressure down on that clip and pop it till it gets more flat, and then pop it straight on there, and it falls off. But once you've done that, it's a little bit easier after the first time. So I'll have to edit this to make myself look better. There it is. So you can see, let me zoom out a little bit there. Now the clip's on there. To show on this next one, you can see that mine were painted. So first thing I typically do is I just kind of push this on here, and when I do that, some of that paint usually just pops off the top there, and it actually makes it a little bit easier to get these on here. So like that, and now you can see a little paint came off, and that probably gets a little bit out from underneath. But remember, this is all covered by trim, so you don't have to worry too much about that. You just want to make sure you don't get anything outside of this trim area.